Alright everybody, welcome to my EC5 and also applies to EC3 soldering and use how-to video. I'm going to show you how to solder on the EC5 plugs. For 8 scale, Dean's, T connectors, they just don't cut it. So we're going to get those off there now. Alright, so now that those are off, we don't really want to touch these two together. Now straight up, these are the pins for the EC5s, and that's the housing. And straight up compared to the Dean's, you can see we're talking about a better piece of machinery. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to solder these on. My technique, I've been using the 80-watt soldering iron and it's not really good enough. Takes too long, doesn't do a good job. So what I've got is the blowtorch, the butane flame. So I'll go ahead and light that up. I'll set that up so you can see. Just sit that on the side there. Alright, so take your EC5 pin, hold it with the pliers somewhere towards the bottom. Take your solder, put the pin in the fire till it's warm, melt the solder into it, fill it up, take your wire and melt that in, pull it out and just let it cool. Alright, so that's the positive. You look on the EC5 plug where it says positive. You stick that in there, push it till it clicks, and that's done. Couldn't be simpler. Get your next pin. Same thing, grab it down the bottom. Get your solder, put her in the fire, fill it up, take your wire, put it in, and then just let it cool off. Now I find it helps a little bit, makes it pretty easy to get them into the plug while they're still warm. These EC5s are made from a really good plastic, so they don't seem to be melting on me yet. And just pop that straight in there, and that's one battery done. Alright, next battery, same thing.